तो I feel like we actually need more and more people to try out things.
Right.
यानी I'm not saying like you have to like give a bang on result and has to be $1 million idea within an year.
Try on things in the sense of like a
Exactly.
startup or like just a
हाँ,
product
हाँ,
or
हाँ.
a service-based industry. So yeah.
Alright, let's have a podcast.
अरे अरे
Okay. So the basic narrative is you have to go in there and brew some coffee for him because you both need it.
Make sure all grounds kind of get wet. Perfect. That's it. Yeah. PSP. So Kshitij from Lexi and Supple. So let's go a little behind, like what do you say? Rewind in the past.
in the past.
Let's go a little bit.
Yeah,
Let's rewind a little bit more. So 3 years you were in Pune. Before that, like, how was your school life like? Where did you study and how was that like?
So I was in Bhavans from Sri Krishna.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So right from nursery to 10th I was in Bhavans.
Okay.
And I think I have never said it out loud essay, but I think now that I realize कि like throughout the schooling मेरे को हमेशा यही feeling था कि मैं actually बहुत चूतिया हूँ. And this I realize right now. So I'll tell you. So right from nursery to 10th, एक ऐसा extra curricular activity नहीं होगा जो मैंने try नहीं किया.
Okay.
Like if you say sports, मैंने right from chess, table tennis, basketball, football, handball, सब like I have tried everything, like swimming से लेके skating से लेके सब कुछ.
Okay.
Because so that space was like so hyper competitive कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि dude like there must be something that I'm good at.
Okay. Got it.
So that whole schooling went into
Figuring it out.
कि मैं actually किस चीज में
And
अच्छा
also,
हूँ.
I think the kind of want or maybe unnecessary want of being somewhere, sort of like. You know?
Yeah.
Like now, if
like
you look back, you're
holding
like.
that place.
कि कहीं तो भी I need to
हाँ,
be there.
हाँ,
I need to
exactly.
get into something sort of.
Academic तो मेरा already बहुत fuck था.
हाँ, tell me that.
Yeah, so dude, like I was super bad at maths. I was super bad at science. And
What was that one subject that interested you the most since in your academic life?
so
be
one
anything.
subject was I think SST.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So like
Social
I was
studies.
pretty. Yeah. So history, commerce, civics. Commerce नहीं, civics.
Civics.
Geography. क्योंकि उसमें यानी basic understanding plus थोड़ा पढ़ लिया तो like you could it would set. But actually so there was one time in my 11th or 12th, so we had this activity where we had a group of 4 to 5 people and we were assigned one product.
Okay.
So we actually the team of 4 was one company and ऐसे we had like 4 or 5 companies.
Okay.
And we actually had to bid for a product.
Oh, yeah,
Then
yeah.
the same product has to be sold in the
Sold in
school
the school.
premises.
Yeah, something
And
like
whosoever does it the highest, like gets to win the whole thing.
Right.
So that was the first time I was the CEO of the group.
Okay.
4. And I think we had the product Shrikhand and हम सीधा एक कोई टीचर के पास गए जो like who was the favorite and like we sold the whole stock to her and like we were done in 15 minutes.
Okay.
And बाकी सब so तब I realized कि this is actually what I can do.
Yeah, that's something you like.
Yeah. And that was like this moment for me कि ये तो
Let's
मैं
do that again.
Yeah.
Let's do that again.
तो I was like कि ये तो मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
And then that is how I started. And like starting में तो बहुत चूते idea आए थे. And I think that is how the process is.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you can never land on like one bang on $1 million idea. It is all about the maximum probability and possibility that you create for yourself. और फिर उसमें से then one thing that will give you like
yeah.
तो वो एक चीज था. Then
Yeah, like for me, coffee was like 46th on my to-do list
yeah.
back in 2016 or something. So 2016, me 16. So, yeah.
तो वो एक था. Then it actually was थोड़ा difficult for me to convey to my parents कि मैं science नहीं कर सकता. Because dude, like I had
Oh my God,
marks.
you went through that.
Yeah. So my mom and dad
So
are doctors.
I mean, seniors or parents should understand marks देख के कि भाई science के लिए नहीं बना है.
हाँ.
तो but वो नहीं, फिर भी fight करो.
हाँ तो then और फिर so डॉक्टर नहीं, so best possible option was CA. तो so I was like कि 2 साल का मेरे को leverage मिल जाएगा. I just told them कि मैं CA कर लूँगा. But अंदर मेरे को पता था कि वो भी नहीं होगा. तो 2 साल तो मैंने निकाल लिए. Then मैंने कैसे भी करके CA का एग्जाम दिया. So I missed like the first exam by 2 marks.
Oh, okay, 98.
Yeah, 98. 100 का passing था.
CPT, yeah.
CPT and I was like fuck. तो मैं बोले ठीक है, पुणे is like best for academics and all. तो मैं वहाँ जाके कोचिंग कर लूँगा और साइड बाय साइड कर लेंगे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेके.
You went to Pune for those exam
Yeah.
courses. God.
I mean मुझे पता था कि it was just an excuse.
Yeah, to get out.
Yeah. तो मेरी माँ अभी भी बोलते कि बघ जर CA वगैरे होत असेल तर MBA साठी प्रयत्न करत रहा. तो वो था. Then पुणे में भी I think I tried lots of things. So my first job, I was actually waiting tables at a cafe.
Wow.
And dude, that was such a brilliant experience for me.
Where was that?
So it was Yari Cafe on SB Road.
Okay.
So यानी कॉलेज के पास ही था. And I was like कि शाम को वैसे भी कॉलेज के बाद क्या ही करना है, और कॉलेज में वैसे भी जाता था नहीं. तो
BCom.
नहीं, so I did international business management.
Okay.
And नाम बहुत fancy है, but course सर्वसामान्य. तो and so the dealing with humans and like how actually organization work. So I was aware कि this is what I want to do, the entrepreneurship and those things. But I never had that kind of access to encounter कि how does an organization work. So for me, getting into the cafe and waiting the table was the chance to understand कि how things actually work.
Right.
कि how does human resource work, how does the management works, finance कैसा होता है, inventory कैसा आता है, billings कैसे होते हैं, accounting कैसा होता है. So that was like my first hand experience.
Got it.
And वहाँ से then the owner of the cafe, he had some healthcare company, and then he picked me up. वहाँ से I think I was 18-19, and it was actually a pretty good job. So we used to do CPR AD trainings for all the Marriott and Starwoods.
Oh wow, that's great.
Yeah.
You learn a lot on that, like.
Yeah. So I got to travel almost all the Marriott and Starwoods. So.
What properties?
Yeah.
Cool. So then, so now we are in 2021, right? So this we are speaking about like back in 17, 18, right?
Yeah.
So you came back in 17, 18 in Nagpur.
I came back here in 2019
Jan, something like that. So you were apprehensive, you were like little bit not sure of the city and all. 2 things that you think that the city would be good at, like we should be good at, and 2 things that the city has improved on since then.
So, यानी जितना I have known, or maybe the phase I entered the city, so I feel the whole bonding of the city, so the whole human connection, it feels like closer and stronger.
Right.
So आज के डेट में ऐसे like I take any name, 10 लोग तो like must be mutuals. यानी the city is coming closer. You know, more and more connection, more and more interactions.
Right.
Now, यानी I think the greater credit is the whole coffee culture. Because पहले ऐसा नहीं था कि like people used to meet every day evening को and have like some meaningful conversations.
Right.
But अभी ऐसा है कि now like ठीक है, after work or after college everyone is like हाँ चल let's go for corridor. तो वैसे then everyone meets up and then
Yeah, that's
so
great.
it's the whole vibe and the aura, the whole connection within the city, which brings closer. So I think that actually helps lots of startups also.
To connect or to jam
Exactly,
around, sort of.
exactly. तो वो एक है, and the other side where the city can improve. So I feel like we actually need more and more people to try out things.
Right.
Yani, I'm not saying like you have to like give a bang on result and it has to be $1 million idea within an year.
Try on things in the sense of like a
Exactly.
startup or like just
Ha,
a product
ha,
or
ha.
a service-based industry, sort of. Yeah.
Yeah, let it be product, let it be service, let it be anything, but unless until like you aren't in that trying phase, because so you have seen ki if you start anything, it has a radiating effect, right? अगर मैं कुछ start करूँ तो I would want कि people take bits and pieces from that and like हाँ
built it well on that.
exactly.
Yeah.
Like if I see कि ठीक है like that person can do तो because we both are in the same ecosystem, same city, have access to the same resources. So I want them to believe कि dude like it is doable actually.
Yeah.
So मुझे देख के maybe like there's some other person who would do it. So it can have a
Like a
ripple effect. So that is how it can start. And like we actually need that because अब सबके लिए यही option है कि like after graduating or anything like people find a job Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi.
I mean, which is not no harm, but then I know what you mean. Like I know what you mean to say.
हाँ वही.
Probably out of 100, those 20 people must be there who want to do something and still not able to push or not able to find that right zone into that.
Yeah,
probably.
so there are like two possibility कि you can keep cribbing about the whole city कि ये अच्छा नहीं है वो अच्छा नहीं है, या तो you change it forever for yourself,
right,
and for the people around you.
Right, that's great. Yeah.
So there's this video I saw about Elon Musk. So I think it was by Justin, his like first wife, and she says कि the people who are visionary are always on the edge of the society because they have never been in the actual center because they are always the odd one outs.
Right.
ठीक है? So they go on the edge, they create their world there, and they change it for everyone.
So the circle comes towards them. Sort of.
Exactly.
Wow.
So we want more of that.
Yeah, true. And there's a huge scope. There's a huge scope to do that.
Yeah,
you know?
definitely. I think so. Like there are very logical and practical reasons to start in Nagpur.
True.
You get office rents cheaper compared to any other cities.
Yeah.
You get human resource cheaper.
You get ready client because they want to experiment and they want to get something.
Exactly. Your marketing cost can be lowered down because word of mouth works best in the city.
It just works, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, it's proven and tested. Like, I don't think you had to put anything in marketing, or even
like,
I never did that like actively. So that is the thing. And for example, even if you want to do a beta testing model before going like pan India,
it's a great space.
Exactly.
Yeah, you get pretty actual data as well. Cool. So, how difficult was it, or how easy was it in Nagpur to get your company together, to get the product right, to push it further? Like, I'm sure there must be like challenges of like finding the right packaging, probably, because I've been through that. You know, like finding the right.
I think we have felt that pain together.
It's very difficult, right? Like
yeah.
To find even the smallest of the corrugated boxes, or for that matter,
Exactly.
like so. Actually, we're talking about the ecosystem over here. Like, honestly, what I feel is we are really far away from that. We're really far away. But the other way of looking at that sphere is that there is a huge scope. You know, so yes, we are far away from that, but there's a huge scope of that. You know,
Exactly.
like if somebody just opens up a say corrugated boxes company, I think there's already a huge market.
Yeah,
there's a huge market
definitely.
already, ready market to buy.
Exactly.
So how difficult was it? Like,
So I think the first batch that we did, so I already had it all produced in Pune and I just shipped it here. But after the batch was over,
what are we talking about? We haven't spoken actually about the product.
Yeah,
We'll come back to
yeah.
this point of how difficult was it, but can you just explain the product?
So the product that we are dealing in are organic sanitary pads, tampons, biodegradable, panty liners, and now we have expanded into a sub brand called Supple, जिसमें we are doing the skincare.
Yeah.
Yeah. So skincare. So the whole point of view now. So, and I think this was like a very underlying question कि last 3 महीने से क्षितिज कहाँ था. So I was actually working on the whole rebranding and restructuring of the organization.
Got it.
Because I actually got to know काफी पहले कि the model that I'm working on, it won't be sustainable for 10 years down the line.
Okay.
Because so again, I was in a trial and error model. I got to know कि these are the setbacks that I have to work on. So I was in my shell working on all those things. So now we are working on the manufacturing unit. Again, it's all about the ecosystem.
Yeah, it's about the ecosystem.
Yeah.
Coming back to that.
So unless until you don't do it yourself, no one's gonna do it.
That's
No
true.
one's
You
gonna
gotta
do
be
it for you. Like the similar way you did it.
Yeah.
You created your own ecosystem. Like we cannot wait कि हाँ कोई आएगा, then फिर maybe कुछ change होगा. Unless until you cannot, यानी you won't do it yourself.
Right.
कौन करने वाला है
Somebody,
तुम्हारे?
I cannot keep waiting and cribbing.
Exactly.
Right. So, cool. So, this initiative, I would say it's an initiative for sure because that's something which, and also coming, we'll go back to the question we were talking about, but was there a family barrier in this?
No, not really.
Not really.
No.
And are there any raised eyebrows when you talk about this thing? Like, other people were like, what?
Dude,
What's wrong with
so
you? Like,
this is so much fun, and like it was super absurd. Okay. So starting with like talking about 2019, यानी जब like just started, so like everyone saw the whole Padman movie and I was like, अच्छा यार.
Yeah.
But when you actually get to meet someone who is doing the same,
Yeah.
you're like, dude, तू gay है क्या? Dude, like no jokes. Like that was the
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm
Like,
sure you
like,
must not be having any friends before who are with you right now. Or are they?
Yeah. So.
Good question, yeah?
Yeah. So I have like a.
We haven't
very,
spoken about this, by the way.
Yeah. So the personal life is like a whole.
I can only
different-
imagine.
Yeah.
Can you just stop 1 second? Yeah, start.
So what were we discussing?
That you must not be having friends before and after you started Batman journey, I would say.
So when I was starting out, I had a particular set of friends in Pune. Then I shifted here. So ऐसा होता है ना कि like, so most of the time I find it like extremely difficult to convey someone कि मैं actually क्या कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. Is it, I mean, of course, you're not conscious, you don't feel conscious about that, but
No,
I think it's
it
about
was
the
never
other
about the
person's-
type of work I'm doing. It's just about कि now I really cannot keep on explaining and updating you every day कि आज मैंने दिन भर में क्या किया. Because most of the time, by the end of the day, I have lost all the bandwidth to deal with humans anymore. Because throughout the day मेरा इतना ज़्यादा interaction, phone calls and everything, so it is actually difficult for me to
and surprisingly,
explain.
we're doing it at 10:45 right now.
Yeah, 10:45 and I think we have worked like
Yeah,
the whole day and now this.
Yeah.
So वही है, and like keeping update every day because so nowadays the friendships are कि अगर तू मेरे से 2 दिन बात नहीं किया तो मे भी कुछ तो भी गलत होगा. यानी I have friends, तो मेरी एक friend है like we are best friends, literally best friends since kindergarten.
Okay. Wow.
Play school, kindergarten. She was with me in Pune also. Now she is in Nagpur as well. So I have friendships जहाँ पे मैं महीनों तक बात नहीं करता and even after I meet them after 3 months, it still feels same.
Same. Yeah. You can just pick it up.
Yeah. Then there are friendships कि मैं 3 दिन बात नहीं करता and they're like तुझ में तो बहुत attitude आ गया, time नहीं है तेरे पास.
आ गया बोलना. हाँ आ गया बोलना. Yes. That's
Yeah,
what I
but
am.
now the age we are in. ठीक है.
Alright. But cool. So like coming back to the awkwardness, which is like, I don't know what word should I put it, but then of course there will be.
About the selling part.
No, I mean about when you introduce yourself to somebody and
Yeah.
So what is the acceptance level of that? Because I want to really address that situation because I'm sure it comes a lot.
Yeah, so
It happens
for
a lot.
me, for example, the way you sell coffee, same way I sell pads.
Yeah.
For me, pads is like any other product.
Right.
Like I don't treat it different. The moment you start treating it different is the same moment you start creating a stereotype. So if you go on to ask me, ki you are a guy, why do you do this? That is the same moment you creating the stereotype that
True.
I am trying to break it.
Very true.
Do not address it. Acknowledge the fact that I am doing it. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. True. How difficult is it?
I think starting में it was थोड़ा बहुत, but then I think so the event that we did with Corridor, the whole fundraising and the awareness part, I think that was the major breakthrough that I had to convey.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
so we did a series called My First Time, where we actually asked everyone, most of the people to come up there and talk about their first encounter in regards to anything, maybe periods or buying pads or maybe first time you are watching an advertisement. So what was the thought in your head?
Right.
You know, dude, the first time I saw pad, मेरा दिमाग खुल गया. So I went to a vendor and that was the first time I saw a pad. And उसने पानी डाल के दिखाया and I was like, fuck, इतना absorb करता है.
Okay.
So for me it was like a whole different product that I had to explore myself.
Okay.
तो देन मैं फ्लैट में गया वापस और मैं सारे फ्रेंड्स को बोला डूड एक चीज दिखाता हूँ एंड जेन्युइनली दे वर इक्वली एक्साइटेड
Okay.
लाइक कि ये तो हम फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं बिकॉज दे नेवर गॉट टू हैव दैट ओपन कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ एनीवन बिकॉज इट वाज ऑलवेज अ हश हश लाइक यू आर नेवर सपोज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट इट इट इज स्टिल but I'm glad. So for example, I can actually tell you instances where someone like randomly comes up to me and they're like, dude, I got my periods today. I'm like, brilliant. That's
the level of comfort,
exactly that we're trying to create around us.
Wow.
And like I'm glad ki now it's like, and it's actually a very slow process.
I'm sure.
It won't turn
I'm super
around,
sure. Yeah. You can't like it's very difficult to market it also. I think.
Dude, it is
It's
so
very
it is actually difficult to market because you have to be super careful with the word you choose.
Yes.
The way you market it.
Shouldn't be offended.
Exactly.
When you don't mean to still.
Yeah. Because if you see it, if you treat it as a very normal product, offend होने like कुछ है नहीं. But if you treat it as a very special product, then people are like, oh, how can you say this?
Sensitivity sort of maybe problem.
And recently what we have done is we have stopped using the word feminine hygiene.
Okay.
We just call it a hygiene product.
Okay, why
Because
so?
then we realized, so the whole rebranding and restructuring that we were doing, so we realized ki the product has to be accessible to more and more people.
Right.
So when I say Lexi for all, it also includes trans women who bleed.
Right.
So they are not female.
Yeah.
Right. So the product has to be addressed
Wow.
to a wider range and to the maximum people. So we just call it a hygiene product.
Wow. That's great. Yeah. That's something.
Yeah. So
must have taken a lot of thought for sure.
yeah, definitely. So again, like it all comes with maximum interaction with the customer. Like even today, so we try to have more and more interaction with the customer because see now I cannot have a first-hand experience with whatever happens. So I need to have more and more conversation कि अच्छा फिर ऐसा क्या होता है, फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, then how do you deal with it? And I am very comfortable doing that.
Right.
And I am glad that the people around me, they are like super comfortable in giving the feedbacks also.
Yeah.
So again, that is the space that we are talking about.
That's challenging for sure. So digging a little bit deeper on this, what would be that one thing that you would want to say to that person who basically must have disowned you? I'm sure there will be somebody. Because you did this, and he or she did not want to get associated with you anymore or something.
Yeah, like
Would you be knowing somebody like this?
No, I don't think so.
Nobody?
No.
That's great, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's just I just assume that I'm sure there must be somebody because people are like, no.
No.
What are you talking
Rather, so for me it was like the other way around.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a change already then.
Exactly.
Amazing.
So when we started, it was like sudden boom. Like 2 साल पहले, like no one knew who I was. Like technically, even throughout the school, I was like a super introvert. I wasn't like outspoken, out there, vocal. मैं पुणे गया, I was like मैं पुणे से आ रहा हूँ नागपुर. So like I cut off the contacts and ये वो because I was like moving to other city and I wasn't sure if I was coming
You were
back.
coming back, yeah.
मैं वापस आया, I was like इधर मेरा कोई नहीं है. So that is how, and like the first breakthrough was the flea market that we did in August.
Yeah.
And then I think so I had my first radio interview
Wow.
with Arjun Aman,
Okay.
Mirchi.
Yeah.
And then wahan se the whole PR thing went into a spiral. Then we had like newspaper articles and all the
Nice.
coverage, and that is how it started. So it was like more and more people wanted to know ki actually hota kya hai, like how does the product works, because so then they got that space to interact with someone who can actually convey, because most of the time it was never talked about.
Right.
So for them it was that window ki chal theek hai, now we can talk about it.
You can be open about it.
Exactly.
Got it. So where does Lexi go from here now? What is the next plan and how does it
So यहाँ से so we are planning a manufacturing unit.
Sorry, we're getting a call.
नहीं ठीक है. So यहाँ से so what we are trying to do is कि we are trying to get our own manufacturing unit, like so it's in construction. And so we'll be manufacturing our own pad. We got the custom machinery and everything. We actually sourced the very right material for the
Must
comfort.
be tough again. Yeah.
Dude, it was super. So it took me almost an year to plan out this whole thing.
Wow.
To find the right machinery. Then the land we had, it had some problem with the geography.
Okay.
तो रोड इतना है और लैंड फिर इतना है और
you
वहाँ
gotta
पे
level it up.
ड्रेनेज नहीं था.
Fuck.
तो लाइक अगर बारिश हुआ, ऑलरेडी
तो
हाइजीन
रहेगा.
प्रोडक्ट है, एब्जॉर्बेंट है, तो मेरा पूरा
Everything is gone.
yeah.
Wow.
So we had to deal with that. Then वो सब, so the now plan is, so whatever work I am doing onwards यहाँ से, I make sure कि whatever I do, I want it to reach more and more people. Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि like if the product has a capability to make a difference in someone's life even by 1%,
Yeah.
so it should reach more and more
Success, yeah.
people. So we have cut down the MRPs. We are getting on the lower segment, but the product quality stays same. So we are trying to reach more and more people. We are trying to make more accessible sales point,
Got it.
more retail stores.
Nice.
So that is how
More
we are
retail
planning.
stores as well. That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
That's great. Cool. And how does the export look like?
So export, yani we are trying to explore more and more channels, because doing export by yourself is thoda sa hectic. Because doing the whole process yourself, and plus we need someone overseas to take care of the whole thing, but we'll work on that.
Okay. Cool. And tell us about Supple.
So Supple,
Tell us about the cat in Supple.
dude. So I think me and Sarang, we were sitting for chai at a tapri, and हम दोपहर
Word,
को
chai? What is that?
शेरा.
Chai? Chai?
Chai. Oops, it's a bad word. तो हाँ.
Caught you!
तो we were having this major discussion, और मैं सारंग को बोला कि like dude, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत दिन से था कि like if I have to make video, I'll definitely reach out to you. And then I contacted Sarang and I was like कि सारंग video बनाना है. And like तो मेरे लिए कैसा है ना कि Supple is a super experimental space for me. कि मेरे मन में जो है मैं वो करूँगा.
Wow.
Because the brand that we have made it's like super fun, it's super chill, casual. Again, now अब ऐसा था कि like since I had Lexi for a very long time, so it was a female centric brand. And like all the guys were like भाई हमारे लिए कब करेगा, like अब आगे. तो what we thought is कि in terms of marketing, कि we pick like 2 basic elements. If you need to check कि how are you like moisturized, एकदम basic चीज़ है, I'll just scratch and I'll see कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर scratch है तो like I'm not moisturized. ठीक है. Then we picked another basic element, cat. What does cat do? Like scratches. So we just clubbed 2 basic elements.
Right.
and that is how we sold it. So मैं एक friend से मिला and तो he was like कि क्या plan है? तो मैं बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा body lotion आने वाला है and like I was giving him full technical details कि उसमें ये रहेगा वो रहेगा. He's like मुझे उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर मैं ऐसे करूँ तो scratch नहीं आना चाहिए. And I was like that, so that was like my eureka moment. I was like no one gives a fuck about what's inside. I mean obviously there are people.
Of course,
who
yeah, I mean
do-
you were taking
yeah.
care of the
Yeah.
entire this thing,
Exactly.
and all, yeah.
But the basic requirement, the basic necessity is that your body should be moisturized.
Yeah.
Your body should be hydrated. So we were like, ki, obviously technicalities and everything stays as it is. But we wanted to market it as simple as we can.
I mean, it surely was not as simple as for to shoot, I'm sure.
It was super difficult.
Link in the bio.
So the cat we got, so she was very uncomfortable with the space.
I mean,
Yeah.
what would you expect from
And
a cat?
I thought कि ठीक है बेसिक है बिल्ली है चेयर पे बैठ जाएगी 15 मिनट में शूट करके निकल जाएंगे. Like she roamed the whole house for like 2 hours. And the friend जिसका cat था Samiksha, she was like so patient. I think we have done a BTS. Like she gave her 1000%. एक टाइम में मैं था कि सारंग प्लीज एडिटिंग में कर लेंगे यार प्लीज.
How many hours did it take to shoot that entire video?
So actual video में cat का footage was I think like 4-5 seconds max.
Yeah.
और actually पूरा footage was for like more than 2 hours.
My God.
And we
Easily
were
fine.
we were just trying कि cat बैठे chair पे at least for like 5 seconds. बस चेयर पे बैठना चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. Then we were like clubbing the whole video separately. So that was the whole plan. But like it was so much fun to like shoot the whole video because I was doing it all for the first time.
Yeah.
And उसके पहले I have never been in front of camera.
So you're pretty comfortable on that.
हाँ. और उसके बाद से तो कैमरा छूटा ही नहीं है.
छूटा ही नहीं है. Super, yeah, super. So what do you think, like last week, just wrapping up, now that you're in Nagpur, you started 2 companies and 2 brands basically, 2 products and brands. What would you want from Nagpur as a community and as a city, and what would you want to look, what would you want back from the community and the city?
यार I have like एकदम bare minimum basic expectations.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो don't actually buy something from a small business just because they are your friends. Like this I'm talking about super opposite. Because ideally what happens is कि for example मैंने Supple start किया, ठीक है, you will buy it कि चल ठीक है क्षितिज start करे तो I'll buy it. So that creates a very pseudo demand.
Yeah.
It's a very false demand because I am thinking कि product अच्छा है.
चल रहा है, yeah.
And उस basis पे I do more backing up. And then it's a hollow space because you never actually wanted the product.
Right.
So the basic thing is
That's a very important point to tell a lot of people. It's not only about the Supple
I mean
product,
any
but
basic,
any product that
Exactly.
people are doing. Yeah.
because क्या होता है ना कि like ठीक है I understand कि like anyone who is starting new would want to feel the support and the love and the sales and everything. But we also need to make sure कि the person who is doing it, they know actually कि where they can improve.
Right.
The learning curve has to go up. So that is the whole game. The more you refine the product, the more you develop the product, the better it gets. That is the long term journey that we are planning. Like it's not a sprint कि हाँ 3 महीना amazing.
Yeah, the spike, basically the spike.
Exactly. And अभी scene ऐसा है कि like everyone wants like quick cash.
Yeah.
Dude, I have spent 2
NFTs
years
for that.
Yeah, I have spent 2 years just in trial and error thing.
It takes,
It
especially
takes
for your
time.
product, it will take that much
Yeah,
gestation
because the
period
product
only.
development, the customer feedback, and everything is so important. Like I don't want to launch the whole product in the pan India and then realize कि oh fuck इसमें actually कुछ गलत है.
कुछ तो
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't just want to be local sort of thing or just from the city.
Exactly.
Wow. Cool, yeah. Any questions that we are remaining?
I actually wanted to ask you, like you asked me like why, कि how did I actually start in Nagpur and like why. So I actually want to know ki what was like your why and how starting coffee in Nagpur.
My why was actually I started from my first place that I decided was Pune. I had finalized a place and everything, but it just did not feel. I did not get a good feeling in the gut.
Yeah.
Plus, I was like actually traveling and I was consulting few big brands in India and outside also for coffee itself. And I knew one thing: ki if I open up in Pune, I won't be able to keep it shut, keep it open, keep it shut, keep it open as per my timings. So that brought me to Nagpur, and I was like, let's just do one thing. Let's just invest in the roasting machine. Let's just buy some green beans, and मेरे को वैसे भी roasting करना ही है. And for me, then the place was not really any, what do you say, an anchoring point कि मेरे को यही चाहिए या मेरे को prime locality चाहिए या मेरे को ऐसा place चाहिए जहाँ पे लोग आए or something. In fact, it was kind of opposite.
Exactly.
It was literally the opposite thing, that I did not want guests or walk-ins because I was going to travel a lot and I don't like that on and off sort of a thing. So it so happened that I was looking out for places in. The plan was to put the roasting machine in the farmhouse. That was the first plan.
Okay.
The second plan was to put it up at my house on the terrace, balcony cover karke. The third plan was right over here, piche mein I've got my old house, just to shade it up and keep it. Then fourth plan was probably Then it started from where we are today. It so happened that I was just walking through that place, and it happens to be Ketan's backyard, Pichega. And I asked him like, what is this place exactly? Because it was all barren. It was all barren, and it just had a very nice feeling towards it. I still have the first picture of that. I'll show it to you on that.
I think we have talked about it. Like I have seen in the pictures, like it's just like bare walls and just
columns.
Columns
not even walls, like columns and no roof, no ceiling. And I remember I told him ki, yes, this is what I want. He's like, what? I'm like, yeah, all legal, fine. He's like, yeah. I'm like, bas ye chahiye. And he's like, fine, whatever. So that's how then the roaster came, and then roasting machine was kept. So why Nagpur? Again, one, it's about the hometown thing, that I think the love for the hometown. Please edit this. It's not about Nagpur. Like
home.
As we spoke, it's where your home is basically.
Exactly.
It could be any part of the city, but any part of the country, but the hometown, wo apna hai, it's given a lot. And so that was something which was there, which kind of made me feel ki, okay, this is where we could try off. Because I remember one more thing, I was telling Sarang about it and you guys yesterday about it, that my sister called me that, oh, there's somebody in Nagpur who started a coffee thing and all that. And I was all irritated, like, how the hell, like, kya kar raha hai, and all those things, So that is the time I actually probably realized that, acha, itna agar koi cheez, if you're feeling so strong, so I think hometown is something where you want to do. So I'm not an MBA, I'm not into data analysis or something. It's nothing to do with कि ओ इधर फुटफॉल इतना ज़्यादा इधर उतना ऐसा all those things, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, but it was all more to do with the energy and the vibe and the feel of the place. It just feels right. So that is why it all just came together. And to be honest, actually espresso machine भी नहीं था. There was nothing. We had nothing. It was just a roasting machine and green beans. So espresso. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Hello. अरे मी मित्रेश सोबत पॉडकास्ट शूट करत होतो. अरे आता शूटच्या मधात आहे, करतोय फोन थोडा. हॅलो.
Take this please.
हो करतोय फोन. माझ्या डाळी असं तू किती तास काम करतो?
Cool. So we were on.
Yeah.
That space. Your studio.
That space. That's So that was more about it. तो हाँ, espresso machine main नहीं था. तो plan was not really like a cafe operations and like expanding it that way.
Yeah.
It was more like it was a genuinely gradual. 100 कमाया तो 50,000 हो, 50 कमाया तो 25,000
Exactly,
वो वाला
exactly.
scene, बस.
The whole bootstrapping
Yes,
mode.
just go on and on and on and on.
Yeah.
Just keep trying. Because agar 4 years back, if somebody would have told me ki for the next 4 years you will be in Nagpur, or for that matter any city, it's not Nagpur, no matter any city you will be here for 4 years, I wouldn't have done that.
Huh.
So it's not my nature to have stagnancy. I just want, like, the moment everything gets settled, it's like boring, yeah, it's boring. So abhi maza aa raha hai.
Yeah.
And on
Yeah.
record abhi bahut maza aa raha hai. So feel man, feel. So that's how it is. So that's how the city and everything started.
Yeah.
Cool. But that's Kshitij from Lexi and Supple. So I had a couple of questions actually. What was the worst day of your life in Lexi, with Lexi? Like it cannot be just losses, or it cannot be a cancelled order or something, but it could be whatever. Like, it could be just whatever. It could be anything that you. But your worst.
So there was one day, I don't call it like worst or a bad day, but it was like just disheartening and sad. So like as any startup, क्या?
Well, nothing.
क्या?
It's an inside joke, I guess.
Oh, FOMO. Cool. So with me, what happened is, so there was this person I actually like who was interested to invest. So we were in talks with a VC, and so we have been in discussion like for 6 months or so, and like we had good conversation, and like he had like full faith. ठीक है, and everything seemed right. I saw the documentation. ठीक है, all the terms were like pretty fine, and I just didn't feel right.
Oh wow, okay.
And that was the time I actually needed that money, like by hook or crook. I wanted that, but वैसे था कि somehow I just couldn't feel it कि I should do it. वो gut feeling आ ही नहीं रहा था, and I never had a proper reason कि why I don't feel like doing it.
Still?
तो अभी तो like we got another investors.
Yeah, but still you don't have a reason why you did not want to do it?
Yeah, I still don't have any.
Okay.
It's just that कि it never felt right. And so the thing is that with investor, अगर मैंने already sign कर लिया, then एक महीने के बाद if I feel कि नहीं it's not good enough, so I cannot back out.
Yeah, that's
It's a whole different yeah. And that was actually disheartening because I was more interested than him, obviously. And like we did the whole thing for 6 months, and that day I just couldn't believe कि like I don't want to do this.
What?
And it was actually like super sad, and I had to convey him कि, and obviously like, so it's a very rational space, it's a very logical space, your emotion like don't give a fuck. And I just had to tell him like, dude, I'm not feeling it right to go ahead with it right now. And like he was kind enough to understand that whole thing. Yeah. And like I mean we are still cordial, it's like super professional and everything. But that was the time, and that was such a rock bottom space for me. So that one particular investment would have like changed everything forever.
Yeah.
But I was like, keep just for
retrospectively,
a bit.
maybe.
Yeah. Maybe. Again, it's a like very subjective space. Like, ठीक है, things would have gone north or south. But तब I was like, keep. So I actually wanted to sit tight on that decision, think over it. तो पहले दिन तो I was like कि नहीं मुझे नहीं जम रहा है. But then I was like कि maybe बोलते हैं ना like something happening big for the first time, so like you are nervous or whatever. So I was like कि I'll sit on this decision for like next 6-7 days.
Okay.
I don't know, see like if my mind changes or anything like that. But I was still stuck with the decision, and I was like कि ठीक है, like I'm feeling it because ऐसा नहीं कि like I have to run the whole thing. So unless and until I'm not confident enough to go ahead with things,
Yeah.
so it doesn't make sense.
Must be really catch 22.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. The biggest lesson that you've learned with Lexi? A
The
biggest lesson. So probably your biggest baseline that has been broken because of Lexi, which you always believed in, and probably that got broken for good.
So I actually believed कि everyone and anyone like so पहले I was like super naive कि हाँ कि हर कोई अच्छा होता है, हर कोई मेरा अच्छा
मेरे
चाहता
आंसर मत
है.
चोरी कर तू. हाँ.
नहीं. But then I actually realized so I actually experienced this whole thing कि एक टाइम तक everyone around you will be super happy and supportive for you till the time you are at their level. The moment you are like a step above, everyone is like, how the fuck?
Yeah.
And that is like super sad. Ki till the time like everything is good around you and everyone is in the same space, you're happy for them. And the moment like they go beyond your reach, you're like, how the fuck? Because they know ki they are in a very stagnant space.
No, that happens. So, but what is the baseline that got broken that you were telling me about?
So my
That
base-
everybody would be happy all the time.
Yeah, and I
there'll
thought
be
like ki
roses being thrown every day, and you'll be like, "Oh,
yeah. But then I realized like so one thing that I actually realized is कि it's not about like a one day scene. तो मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि every day it's like a one day at a time scene. कि it's so I actually used to believe कि like I want everything to be turned around in a day. कि जो भी है मैं आज ही उखाड़ लूंगा सब, आज ही पूरा सेल्स थ्रू द रूफ सब आज ही कर लूंगा. बट देन रियलाइज कि आई हैड टू बी काइंड टू माई सेल्फ बिकॉज इफ इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म जर्नी आई हैव टू टेक माई सेल्फ अलॉन्ग दैट.
yeah.
And at the end of the day, like, no one gives a fuck about your feelings. No one gives a fuck about your emotions, what state of mind you are in. सबको काम से काम मतलब है. So you have to be there for yourself. No one will be. That's the baseline.
Yeah, that's pretty much true. And okay, my next one will be like a different one. मेरे आंसर चोरी है. तो मेरे को बता कि tell me this thing कि if not Lexi then what?
तो मेरा ऐसा है ना कि so I don't have a major speciality in making pads. For me, if you replace Lexi with anything, I can sell it because मेरा base is entrepreneurship. So maybe if not Lexi, मेरे को socks में बहुत interest है.
But तू पहना नहीं है.
नहीं मैं pets पहना है.
ना तो सब वही देगा पहले. इतना इंटरेस्ट वो जेब में रखा है.
तो मैं उस दिन एक ऐसी फ्रेंड के साथ बैठा था, कॉफी पी रहे थे हम.
गुड.
नहीं यही करेंगे.
अच्छा पक्का ठीक. मैं कैमरा चेक करूँगा. वैसे भी आजकल बहुत कैमरा चेक कर रहा हूँ मैं.
तो what we actually thought is कि अब मेरे को इसका टेक्निकलिटी नहीं पता, बट आई थिंक सॉक्स में लेफ्ट और राइट ऐसा होता है. नहीं होता क्या? ठीक है, तो आई एनीवे कैरी ऑन विद लेक्सी ओनली. बट यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सॉक्स में लेफ्ट और राइट होता है.
पहनने के बाद हो जाता है. पहनने के बाद लेफ्ट राइट हो जाता है.
पहनने के पहले ही लाइक सो उसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा होता है ना कि लाइक नहीं क्या?
No, this is identical. How will you imagine the machinery? How will it make a left and right?
नहीं होता है ऐसा.
नहीं, it is mass producing, no? एक ही साथ एक ही इसमें हो रहा है पूरा. Imagine that.
Moving on to the question.
If you put it that way, that guy जो तेरे को बेच रहा है वो बोला होता कि भैया लेफ्ट राइट ऐसा होता है. होता एक कोणीदा म्हटलं असतं इतकं
असं कधी तर शाळेत एकदा राईटचा सॉक्स ठरवला असता ना.
We are glad that you're in Lexi.
Yeah, I'm glad.
एग्जैक्टली मैं बोल रहा था नहीं साला सॉक्स विकत नहीं साला क्या बेच रहा था पता नहीं.
Oh, this like major eye opener. तो मैं यानी इतने साल से बहुत ऐसा कॉन्शियसली सॉक्स पहनता था कि ये सॉक्स लेफ्ट का है और ये सॉक्स राइट का है.
सही में.
हाँ. My life won't be
Oh.
same, guys.
Wow.
Today your baseline is broken.
My
This is the baseline that got broken. Cool. Or
Yeah, so your point was if there was a left and right sock.
Yeah.
So what was your point?
Dude, now my whole concept is null avoid. Yeah, now the whole
अभी नहीं
business
बनेगा.
model is like diluted. क्योंकि मेरा plan था
कि मैं सिर्फ लेफ्ट वाले बेचूंगा.
Oh, I know your plan.
तो मेरा plan was
लेफ्टीज के लिए स्पून भी रहता ना, लेफ्टीज के लिए सॉक्स भी है, जैसे तेरे लिए सॉक्स स्पेशल लेफ्टीज के लिए सॉक्स.
so my plan was कि I won't sell socks in pair. Now it's all gonna sound so fucking funny. Oh god.
I tell you, okay? If it is like you open a coffee shop, मैं कैपेचिनो मांगा है, तो मेरे को पिकोलो में सिर्फ 20 दिया है.
बस दैट्स इट. और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
दूध तो अपना है.
तू देख ले.
Right में करेगा तो
अपना है.
दूध वाला सामने आता है.
वो मैं नहीं दूंगा.
तो I'll tell you. Dude, now I think it like
Nowadays
I think
it's-
I lost
nowadays it's
all
more
the
interesting
respect.
now.
हाँ.
More
It is
interesting.
even more
Yeah, it is more
interesting.
interesting now.
तो मेरा प्लान वाज कि आई विल सेल यार लेफ्ट पैर का
सही है.
socks, ठीक है वो अलग. सो वो एक अलग डिजाइन का होगा. लाइक यू कैन नॉट बाय वन डिजाइन का सॉक्स दो. बट आई थिंक नाउ यू कैन. और राइट वाला अलग. सो यू कैन गेट लाइक एक डिजाइन का एक ही. बट आई थिंक यू कैन गेट
It's like red वाला white socks.
हाँ
red वाला
हाँ
right
हाँ
and left
हाँ.
side
तो
is
रेड वाला
different
मे बी
colors.
लेफ्ट और व्हाइट वाला राइट.
तो ऐसा तो फिर-
सो
तो फिर-
इट विल बी अ मिसमैच पेयर.
No, so according to your model, what the only thing that you can do is left वाला जो sock है ना,
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर left इधर लिखने का.
हाँ
हाँ वो होता है ना.
ठीक है. और right वाला जो है right इधर रखने का. यानी अगर तूने उल्टा पहना तो left इधर आएगा और right इधर आएगा.
हाँ.
नहीं ऐसा है.
Then the model.
Branding
There's
is
still
generally on one side.
they still hope, guys.
हाँ हाँ. But I'm talking about left and right.
Yeah.
Like ये socks अगर left के लिए it's meant to be left. तो right left इधर लिखने का left.
हाँ.
फिर इधर आ जाएगा. तो फिर successful है.
Maybe.
No, go. Listen to this full idea.
हाँ.
ठीक है ये. So technically you will never wear like एक डिजाइन का सॉक्स लाइक दोनों पैर में. सो मे बी एक पैर में कुछ डोनट का डिजाइन होगा, दूसरे पैर में भी एवोकाडो वाला डिजाइन होगा, ऐसा कुछ. एंड द नेम विल बी कॉल्ड द परफेक्ट मैच.
Oh, wow.
But
I
I
just
think
googled it and it does have a left and right only if it is definitely designed in the design.
guys,
Yeah.
See?
But only if it is designed like that.
yeah, so
Otherwise
we
it does not
will
look
$1 billion idea.
Yeah.
$1 billion idea.
So please edit that out and sign a contract. We won't start that company before you do.
Okay, yeah. So, alright. So, 2021, there's just one brand, which is you, Lexi. What would happen if tomorrow 10 brands come up in the city, right? Would you be happy? Would you be challenged? What would Kshitij do?
So yeah, so the same point, the thing that we have planned and the worked on is कि if you want to start a new pad ka brand, right? So we have made the ecosystem such कि you'll have to procure it from us.
Okay.
Because now that since we are getting into manufacturing units, so I'm pretty sure like all 10 won't be able to have their own manufacturing setup right when they started, because they do not have the estimation कि कितना उनका product move होगा या how, because dude the machine का capacity is insane, like it's 5,000 pads per hour.
Wow.
So
That's
to
crazy,
move that kind of volume, you need to have like multiple sources of revenue, and you won't able to get to know it unless until you do the groundwork. So it's all about trial and error, like, so that is how things move. So hence what you are planning is like, even if you want to start, we'll encourage you, right? Because so मेरा motive ये है ना कि like I want to have an ecosystem around me. So tomorrow, even if you want to start the pads ka brand, so we'll be supplying you however you want it.
Let's say I bought the machinery. Let's
Huh.
say talk about the 5 people have bought the machinery that you have bought.
Yeah.
Then what would be the
So
situation like?
then the final showdown comes on to the marketing.
Right.
and that is the beauty of it. Because अब ऐसा हो गया ना कि product space में इतना ज़्यादा development हो गया कि now it's at a saturation point. कि उसके beyond product development नहीं हो सकता, तुम और कितना ही product development करोगे.
Right.
So then, and most of the time in FMCG space, it's almost contract manufacturing because not all the company would invest in having their own infrastructure because तुम उतना सा capital expansion में नहीं prefer करोगे उतना, rather you will invest that in marketing. So consider the fact that we both have the same product, right? Now the way you market it, it will be different because that is a whole subjective space. The way you talk, the way you present, the way you pitch, sell, everything is different. It is subjective, it is different from me. So the whole boiling point is the individuality of the brand, what it stands for, what it conveys, the whole identity of the brand.
Right.
Ki how do they associate with you?
Okay.
What is my tone of communication with customers? Is it like super friendly? Is it formal? What kind of customer base do I cater? For example, if the product is same, your price range is higher, my price range is lower, so our customer base can be different.
Right. Right.
So that is how. So then, वो और refine होते होते then it gets more subjective towards the
basically
end.
no two brands can ever be same.
It can
There's
never
no
be.
chance. There's no
No.
chance is what you're saying. There's no chance whatsoever whatever happens.
Because even see we can have maximum कि products चलो ठीक है same है, but at least packaging तो different होगा,
Right.
at least brand name तो different होगा. Maybe your brand, some kind of people might be able to associate more, maybe relate more because the kind of marketing that you are doing, the kind of marketing I do, it might cater to some different kind of people. Because
Right.
marketing is like a super subjective space.
Right. Right.
It's all about your creativity, the way you present it. Marketing is basically telling my own story and the medium that I choose to tell through. So your story can be different, but the product can be same.
Yeah, that's fair. Cool. So this was Kshitij, and thank you so much, Kshitij, for your time.
Thank you.
It was really great to have you on the first episode of what are we calling it?
What are you calling it?
Podcast
Will
Slash interview.
/ interview.
Slash our mic.
But yeah, follow Kshitij on the pages, which is Lexi,
Yeah.
Lexi
Lexi,
and Sapal.
मेरा खुद का भी.
And like Kshitij ka bhi, khud ka bhi.
हाँ,
Or he's also starting off with a socks company, which will be one left, one right, one center. So
now to match.
The perfect match.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
Mismatch is a
so
mismatch.
Dude, mismatch will be like the actual representation of what the brand is.
Okay.
perfect.
The perfect.
I love it. I already love it.
The perfect match.
And then this
You could do that, yeah.
Cool.
I think it already
Thank you so
exists.
much, man.
Thank
you so much.
Suresh, can you give us a shout out and ask people to subscribe and like to the channel? So practice it for your vlog.
Yeah, guys, please like, share and subscribe. तो like से क्या होगा कि आपको आपको अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचेगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग देख पाएंगे.
यही है, देखिए जो सॉक्स बनाने वाला है.
एक left.
No, you have to be a very typical YouTuber. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
और अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो नए वीडियोस आपके
नहीं hit the bell icon मत ना.
hit the bell icon. Hit the bell icon.
Somewhere here.
Somewhere here.
Somewhere here.
So how was the podcast?
Intense. बीच में फिर सॉक्स के टाइम पे
No, but I like the socks part.
It was like
like the
Yeah.
the icon.
Yeah, the iconic, yeah, that was the content.